share a small 5 kg stamping process and structural method. The stamping process can be seen through 3D animation simulation. This is a simple structure of a progressive stamping die. The progressive stamping process starts with feeding from the right. It goes through punching and trimming of the product in sequence. Then the next step is to form and cut to complete the stamping. A set of 2 dies can achieve an automated production process. Take a look at the design of this continuous die. Finally, let's understand the template process of this structure. Firstly, the base of the lower die, also known as the lower die frame. It is responsible for fixing and installing all lower die templates. Then let's take a look at the structure of the upper die, which consists of the die frame, pad, clamp plate, and punch. Of course, the press material and unloading plate necessary for stamping are also indispensable. After the design and assembly of all templates are completed, the outer guide column on the die frame ensures the assembly of the mold. A simple progressive die is completed. Take a look at the design of this automatic stamping. Okay, die design communication and learning.